At first glance, it looks just like another campus bake sale, but the mission behind the table runs much deeper. Bulldogs Baking Change bakes and sells homemade challah and other sweet treats at campus bake sales, using the proceeds to support organizations combating food insecurity both locally and nationwide.
So the original name for the club is Holla for Hunger, which is Mazone. They like this like Holla for Hunger, and then we changed it. So we don't actually we just make challah because that's what we've been doing. But we're trying to branch out and maybe make we've made cookies for other stuff. There have been a couple of semesters ago before I got here, we had like a food truck fundraiser. So we brought a bunch of food trucks and people could like raffle tickets and a bunch of stuff. It was a great time. We give our, I think last year it was second helpings, but we vote and choose a food pantry at the end of the semester, and then we donate a bunch of our money there.
The work doesn't stop when the last loaf is sold. Members say fighting food insecurity isn't just a project, it's a mission.
Our proceeds go to Mazone, I believe it's called, and we just let them know essentially how much we made per bake, and then they decide from there how much money they take. So on average, I think they believe they take 50%. So if we made 80, they take 40. Buy some sweets. They're very delicious. We make them fresh, you know. They've only been sitting for less than 24 hours. So they're very fresh. We're making them the night before. And we always have new flavors to come up with. So if you don't like it this time around, you can always choose next month if you'd like to buy some.
Bulldog's Baking Change proves that even something as simple as a loaf of challah can help tackle a complex issue like food insecurity. To learn more, check out at butler.cfh on Instagram. For the Butler Collegian, I'm multimedia reporter Nia Followell.